how to add language translator in Shopify. So that is what I'm going to show you guys in this super quick and easy tutorial. So let's get into it. So the first thing that we need to do is to, of course, open our Shopify store right here, or your Shopify website. So what we want to do next is to go down right here, which is the settings part. So just click the settings right here. And once you have clicked that, on this part, the languages, click that one. And then you should now be able to add a language. So just click add a language right here, and then just choose the language that you want to add. So let's say, for example, we want to use the Filipino language. So just type Filipino and then click this and then click add. And then once you've added that, you will now be able to see the published languages and the unpublished languages that you have on your store. And by the way, there is actually an ongoing deal wherein you will only need to pay $1 per month for 3 months. So if you want to grab that deal right now, all you have to do is to just go down below the description box or the pinned comment. You will see a link right there which will redirect you to Shopify. So going back to the video, so currently my published is English, and then for my unpublished we have Filipino. So what we want to do next to translate it is to just click translate right here and then click translate and adapt. Now what we want to do here is to click the auto translate and then click translate again. And then once you click that, Shopify will email your Gmail that is associated with your account once the translation is complete. So all you have to do is to wait for it, and then you will have an update. So that is basically it. That is how to add language translator in Shopify.